crawling in a moonlit stream. Heartbeats echo in the empty street. Lost souls wander feeling incomplete. Cracked asphalt, whisper secret soul. Hang heavy everywhere. Lost in the night, can't find my way. Darkness whispers what I can't say. Broken dreams under a midnight sky. Ghosts of memories passing by. Echoes of laughter chase me around. Silence screams in a silent time. Footsteps fall in the grip of time. Lost in a rhythm that has no rhyme. Heartbeats pound like thunder as the world above pulls me under. Eyes wide open, but I cannot see the way out of this endless mystery. Lost in the night, can't find my way. Darkness whispers what I can't say. Broken dreams under a midnight sky. Ghosts of memories passing by. Lost in the night, can't find my way. Darkness whispers what I can't say. Broken dreams under a midnight sky. Ghosts of memories passing by. Echoes of laughter chase me around. Silence screams in a silent town. Broken dreams under midnight sky. Ghosts of memories passing by. Passing by. Chase me around. Silence screams in a silent town. Lost in a rhythm that has no rhyme.
Whispers in the midnight air. Stars are shining everywhere. Electric pulses beating round. Together we'll transcend this night. I was quiet for so long, didn't feel much at all. Then you came along, something started to fall. Like a wall inside me, breaking piece by piece. I can barely breathe when you're close to me. What did you do to me? Can't you see what's happening? I'm not who I used to be. Feel it rising, can't escape it. You walk it up, you walk it up inside. Every touch, every word sets off something wild. Never thought I'd hurt like a fighting child. But this feeling's growing, taking over me. There's no way of knowing who I'm gonna be. What am I becoming? Everything is rushing in. Feel my heart just running. Can't hold back, let it begin. You walk it, you walk it, you walk it up inside. Walk it up inside. You held me down for so long, made me doubt